Have you ever read a Hedera headline and thought, wait, Hashgraph, Hashgraph Group, Hedera, Hgraph, Hashgraph Association, what the heck? Well, you're not alone. Thousands of people confuse these organizations every single day. Some people even assume every announcement mentioning Hashgraph is automatically bullish for HBAR, when in reality it could be referring to a completely different company with a completely different purpose. And honestly, it's easy to understand why. There are multiple organizations with nearly identical names, all connected to the same ecosystem built around Hedera, but each serving a different role. Some build software, some build developer tools, some invest in startups, some educate enterprises. One operates the public network, and one isn't even a company at all. If you don't understand the difference, you'll constantly misunderstand partnerships, product launches, patents, acquisitions, what they actually mean for Hedera. So in this video, we're going to map out the entire ecosystem from the ground up. By the end, you'll know exactly who does what, how they're connected, and why understanding the difference changes how you interpret every future Hedera headline. Before we look at each individual organization, here's the big picture. Everything starts with one underlying technology. Built on top of that is the Hedera public network. Around that network, several independent organizations have emerged, each with its own mission. Now let's break them down one by one. So, going into the first one, Hashgraph, the foundation technology, the consensus algorithm that everything else is built on. So everything begins with Hashgraph, not Hedera, not HBAR, not a company, technology. Hashgraph is the distributed consensus algorithm invented by Dr. Lehman Baird. Instead of organizing transactions into sequential blocks like traditional blockchain, Hashgraph uses gossip about gossip and virtual voting to allow thousands of nodes to reach consensus efficiently. It's the mathematical engine underneath everything else. Think of it like the engine inside a car. Most people never see it, most people never interact with it, but without it, nothing else moves. Hashgraph itself isn't a public network. It isn't a token. It's simply the underlying consensus technology that made everything else possible. Without Hashgraph, none of the organizations we're about to discuss would exist. Moving on to number two, to Hedera, the public network, the decentralized enterprise grade public ledger built using Hashgraph. Built on top of the Hashgraph consensus algorithm is Hedera. This is the public distributed ledger network. It's where developers deploy smart contracts, create tokens, build decentralized applications, tokenize real world assets, and create immutable records. HBAR is the native cryptocurrency that powers the network. When someone says they're building on Hedera, this is what they mean. Hedera provides the shared public infrastructure. It provides the foundation, but it doesn't build every application or enterprise solution itself. Instead, it allows other organizations and companies to build on top of that foundation. And that's where the ecosystem starts branching out. Moving on to Hashgraph, not the underlying tech, but the company. It focuses on enterprise software and infrastructure, building products with Hedera technology. This is probably the single biggest source of confusion in the entire ecosystem. Hashgraph refers to both the underlying technology and the name of a company. They're related, but they're absolutely not the same thing. Hashgraph, the company, is an enterprise software company. Its mission is to build commercial products and enterprise infrastructure powered by Hedera technology. Rather than operating the Hedera network itself, Hashgraph develops solutions that governments, financial institutions, and large enterprises can adopt. Think of Hedera as the operating platform. Hashgraph builds products that run on that platform. So when you read a Hashgraph announcement, it's often announcing a new enterprise product or commercial solution, not a change to the network itself. So it's not actually changing the network, it's just an application to be built on it. And as you can see here, this is the Hashgraph logo. So if you see this specific logo, you know it's actually the Hashgraph organization and not just the underlying tech. So the distinction of, creating a commercial product or solution eliminates a huge amount of confusion when thinking of Hashgraph versus Hashgraph. Moving on to the next one, the Hashgraph Group. So next, the Hashgraph Group, often called THG. THG is a venture builder, technology company, and investor focused exclusively on the Hedera ecosystem. Instead of building one product, it helps create many companies. It incubates startups, develops enterprise platforms, partners with organizations across industries like finance, identity, sustainability, and supply chains, and invests in businesses built on Hedera. Importantly, THG doesn't operate Hedera. It doesn't develop the Hashgraph consensus algorithm. Its mission is to expand the ecosystem itself. Think of THG as planting seeds that grow into entirely new businesses built on Hedera. Its success comes from helping many different companies succeed. Moving on to Hgraph. Then there's Hgraph. Despite the similar name, this is an entirely separate software company. Hgraph focuses on developer infrastructure. It builds APIs, blockchain indexing services, backend infrastructure, AI tooling, developer platforms, and decentralized applications that make building on Hedera easier. Most everyday users will never interact with Hgraph directly, but developers building production applications almost certainly will. If Hedera is the highway, Hgraph builds the roads, maps, GPS systems, and developer tools that make traveling on that highway much easier, um, though they're not the only ones. It's infrastructure that helps everyone build faster. Moving on to the Hashgraph Association, a Swiss-based ecosystem catalyst for education funding and adoption, especially in Europe. So yeah, another important organization is the Hashgraph Association. Unlike the others, its mission isn't building software. Its mission is ecosystem growth. It provides grants, supports startups, runs education programs, partners with the universities, works with enterprises, and helps organizations understand how they can adopt Hedera technology. Its goal is simple: bring more people into the ecosystem, fund innovation, increase adoption. Think of it as an accelerator helping grow the entire community around Hedera. Moving on. So how they all fit together, um, at the foundation is Hashgraph, the consensus technology. Built on top of that is Hedera, the public distributed ledger network. Then come the organizations building around it. Hashgraph builds enterprise software powered by Hedera. The Hashgraph Group creates and invests in companies building on Hedera. Hashgraph provides developer infrastructure and tooling. The Hashgraph Association funds education, adoption, and ecosystem growth. They're all connected through the same underlying technology, but they're independent organizations with different leadership, different missions, and different responsibilities. Once you understand that structure, the entire ecosystem suddenly becomes so much easier to understand. Um, so you might be wondering, why does any of this actually matter? Because context changes everything. The same headline can represent a protocol upgrade, a new enterprise product, a startup investment, a developer tool, or an education initiative. Those are five completely different things. If Hashgraph announces a new enterprise platform, you'll know it's a commercial product built on Hedera. If the Hashgraph Group announces a new investment, you'll recognize it as an ecosystem expansion. If Hgraph launches a new API, you'll understand its developer infrastructure. If the Hashgraph Association launches a grant program, you'll know it's focused on adoption and education. Instead of seeing one confusing collection of similar names, hopefully now you'll see specialized organizations working toward the same goal from completely different directions. So Hashgraph ecosystem is much larger than a single public network. Hashgraph created the underlying consensus technology. Hedera provides the public ledger. Hashgraph builds enterprise software. The Hashgraph Group builds and invests in businesses. Hgraph builds developer infrastructure. The Hashgraph Association grows adoption through education and funding. Different organizations, different missions, different responsibilities. But together they form one of the most unique enterprise ecosystems in the digital asset industry. So the next time you see a headline mentioning Hashgraph, don't immediately ask, is this bullish for HBAR? Instead, ask, which organization is actually making this announcement? Because once you know the answer to that question, you'll understand the Hedera ecosystem better than most people already do. And you'll never read a Hedera headline the same way again. This was Christopher with your CNN Crypto News Entertainment Network. I hope that helped everybody break everything down. See you next time. Like, comment, subscribe, follow, share.